Decluttering is all about creating a more organized and stress-free life. It's all about taking control of the things that are holding you back and making space for what truly matters. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is quite different from my other videos. Today's video is all about decluttering your entire life in just 10 minutes with 10 simple tasks. Best part is it's not as hard as you think. With just few simple tasks, you can start to see the benefits of decluttering and start feeling more productive, more focused and more at peace. Clutter is all around us and it's easy to get overwhelmed by it. From the piles of papers on the desks to the messy closets in our homes, clutter can feel like it's taking over our lives. It's not just a physical clutter that's the problem. Digital clutter like crowded inboxes, endless social media feedback, and can be just as overwhelming. You are surrounded by clutter, it's hard to focus what is really important. With a few simple steps, you can take control of the clutters in your life and start feeling more in control. Clutter can also affect our mental health. When we are surrounded by clutter, it's easy to get more anxious and overwhelmed. But when we take time to declutter and organize our spaces, we can start to feel more calm and centered. It can also make us feel more ashamed, especially when we are holding on to things that we do not need and use. But when we let go those things, we will start to feel more confident and more free. So, are you ready to take the first step and start declutter your life? Let's get started with the 10 simple tasks. Take 10 minutes to clear off your workspace. Get rid of the papers and documents that you do not need and organize the rest in a way that makes sense to you. Second, go through your closet and take out any clothes that you haven't worn in a year. Be honest with yourself if you have not worn it in a year. Third, take 10 minutes and declutter your digital life by unsubscribing from any emails or newsletter that you do not read. Fourth, take everything off your kitchen countertops and sort items into categories: what you need, what you can donate, and what you can throw away. Fifth, go through your phone and delete any apps and contacts that you no longer use. Number 6, take 10 minutes to organize your computer files and get rid of unnecessary documents. Number 7, take everything out of your purse and bags and sort items into category: what you need and what you can donate and throw away. Number 8, take 10 minutes and declutter your social media feeds by unfollowing and unfriending anyone who doesn't bring value to your life. Number 9, take everything off your nightstand and sort items into categories: what you need, what you can donate and throw away. Finally, take 10 minutes and plan out your day or week and write down what you need to do. One of the most impactful tasks on this list is clearing off your workspace. This task sets the tone for your rest of the day and helps you feel more productive and focused. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out my upcoming videos. And again, thank you so much for watching.